guys, I wanted to show you this leave-in conditioner that I purchased. I have two daughters with long hair, and then myself, I have pretty long hair, so I'm always searching for a leave-in conditioner that really helps with like thick hair or not. I also have color treated hair, so it's something that I look for too. And then on top of all of that, you can read about the ingredients. I like this brand because it's paraben free, cruelty free. It has natural botanicals in it, phthalates free, and so I just find that like putting this on my 3-year-old, my 11-year-old, or even myself, I trust that, and I look for those things when I'm buying products for like beauty products. So really happy with this. It has like a definite scent to it. So, if you want fragrance free, I wouldn't go for this, but it smells nice. So like, I think it's one of those things where people would like notice how you smell because of the hair product. And I think that's like a good thing, the way that it smells, especially I love that for my older daughter. It definitely works for helping getting the knots out. It's a leave-in conditioner. Personally, I put it in her and then I like use a thick comb and for myself to really get the knots out. It doesn't weigh my hair down like some of them will. Some of them feel sticky and kind of weigh my hair down when it has a cream like this, but this one doesn't. It's on like the lighter side for the conditioner, which I like because then it's not going to like make my hair feel sticky or weighed down. Definitely give this a try if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner for yourself or your kids.